of drinks that include the flavor of pumpkin. First thing that comes to mind.
Pumpkin spice latte.
There it is, the PSL. Automatically zips right to it, right?
Yeah, but if you want to pump up the way you partake of the pumpkin, how about a cocktail, Todd?
I like it. Let's do it. Nate Blury from DrinkGR has got a few recipes. Hi, Nate.
Absolutely. Hey, guys. And of course, you know, if there was a holiday around eating and drinking, and so, it's my kind of holiday. I was on last time. We did a lot with apples. This time it's all pumpkins. Pumpkin pie is my favorite dessert, in case you were wondering, you know, what the theme was here.
It's keeping me up at night.
Oh, my goodness.
What was your favorite dessert?
Pumpkin.
So I know there's a healthy debate about this. I'm going to go with it's in a martini glass, and it's a vodka-based cocktail. It is a martini.
There's going to be a fight right here.
There is going to be a fight.
Is it a martini?
I'm a martini purist.
It's not a
Okay.
martini.
Okay. Well, here's how we're going to do this.
He is the expert.
Yeah.
I am going to do a pumpkin pie martini, and I am going to start out with some, Domaine de Canton, I believe is how you say it. It is a lime and ginger liqueur.
Lime and ginger?
It is delicious.
It's amazing.
Along with 1.5 ounces of some vanilla vodka.
Okay.
And
Smells
then
delicious.
this
It
is
does.
my friends over at Eastern Kill, their amazing spiced rum we're going to do. So this is a very spirit-forward
Wow, yeah.
cocktail.
I was going to say, this one is one and done.
This is why I think this could be truly one of those. So I'm going to add just a little bit of the pumpkin puree.
Okay.
And we have our pumpkin spice.
Oh,
And
yeah.
of course, I'm going to give this one good shake
And this is going to be
strain.
strained before it's in the glass.
This is
right?
very
Okay.
much going to be
All right,
strained
all right.
before it goes in the glass.
We're not going to be drinking globs of
No,
pumpkin.
you do not want to do that. So we have our martini glass here, and I'm going to put all of this in here. I would normally rim this maybe with like some sugar and maybe a little pumpkin spice.
Maybe maple syrup sugar.
Oh,
I have some maple
absolutely.
sugar.
Cinnamon?
Yeah,
There we go.
cinnamon,
Oh,
right?
yeah, absolutely. So I'm going to double strain this. It's going to look really pretty. You will not have all of that pumpkin.
does look
And I guess maybe it might fall into not the martini category. 'Cause I'm going to put a little whipped cream right there. But yeah, so this is our pumpkin spice martini. It is absolutely delicious. Very simple to do. It is fun, but it is very spirit forward, a little heavier, a little more complicated.
So rum, vanilla.
Vodka, rum, vodka.
Ginger. Oh, it truly is delicious. But if you like something a little more traditional, I like the bourbon pumpkin smash. You know, I found this amazing bourbon. This is Varchus bourbon out of Troy, Michigan. It's got the cool.
We've
That
been
is
on this
cool.
before, yeah.
Oh, I think we did their ride. This is just
the
seriously,
rye.
yes. And this is they're new to Michigan. I really enjoy them, and so I made a pumpkin simple syrup. Okay, and I'm going to put the ingredients in the recipe on the website. But basically, it's a simple syrup with a little pumpkin puree in
Sugar,
it.
water, pumpkin.
Exactly, absolutely. So I am going to add just a little bit of that. I'm going to add 2 ounces of the bourbon, as well as some fresh lemon juice and
Lemon, pumpkin, and...
Interesting.
this is
Or
a
is it bourbon?
smash. It's a bourbon, yeah.
Okay.
So exactly. So a little lemon juice here, and again, we're going to give this a nice little shake. This is one of those that's going to be a little bit easier. Like I said, just do that prep beforehand of that simple syrup,
yeah.
and then you can make a ton of cocktails with this.
And you can use it for lots of different things.
Exactly. You can even make mocktails with it with the
Right.
kids and stuff because there's no alcohol in that. It's good in the fridge for about a week. So once I've got that strained out there, I am going to top this off with some club soda.
Okay, give it some bubbles.
Little pumpkin smash there with the
that.
bourbon. Maybe garnish it with a lemon or something. And yeah, very, very fun. And you know that I always figure out some way to work a margarita.
Yes, you do.
I mean, I don't equate margaritas with Thanksgiving, but I'm on this board.
I mean,
Yeah,
these margaritas, man, they're just my favorite, okay?
A pumpkin Rita.
A pumpkin Rita. And my favorite, this is really a great one. This is Tapatio tequila. I love Tapatio. This is a very traditional Mexican tequila. It's something that maybe you would walk past on the shelf and go, really? It doesn't look like
Looks
the
cool.
normal celebrity tequila that you would see, but it really is a fantastic tequila. You can get this at your favorite local liquor store. And
Probably save a few bucks too, Nate.
you know,
I
actually,
mean, we don't need to give the celebrities any more money. Right?
yeah,
Drink the real deal.
it comes in about $50 a bottle, so it's still It's still delicious,
gonna
though.
drink it out of
Okay.
paper bag.
So I'm going to do 2 ounces of tequila. I have the folks over at Long Run there, orange liqueur.
Yes.
Don't do Cointreau. Do someone local. Like have some local spirits involved, and they make a fantastic orange liqueur in place of my Cointreau. A little bit of lime juice, of course, and then that pumpkin spice. And instead of agave, this is where I'm going to call it, you know, the fall pumpkin piece. I'm going to add some fresh honey. So I have my fresh honey here instead of that agave nectar. We're
Okay.
gonna
I mean,
just
you
put
could
a
do
little
maple
honey.
syrup too again.
You
I'm
could
sorry.
do, yes, absolutely. There is nothing wrong with that. I'm going to give this a nice shake.
So that's got the pumpkin in there too.
Oh,
right?
I do. I should
Oh,
put
yeah,
some pumpkin in
pumpkin.
there.
Yeah,
I was
I was gonna say.
getting so excited, Todd. It won't even come out with that pumpkin color
Thank
if I
you.
don't add that pumpkin puree. So we'll give a nice little spoonful of the pumpkin. And again, this is just a really simple, fun thing to include everyone. I would rim the glass, maybe, like I said, with a little pumpkin spice and sugar, and it is just a really, really great cocktail. We have all of these recipes on the website as well as in our Facebook group.
Okay.
So I'm going to top this off. I don't know if I can get that top off.
I'll tell you what. You tell about DrinkGR. You got it.
Yeah, of course, of
right.
course. So DrinkGR is our Facebook group. Anyone can request to join that. It is a fantastic place right here talking about everything that goes on in West Michigan. It comes up with some great recipe ideas as well as what's happening in the local area. And we're going to be doing some fun things at the, just all around. So.
Well, if you're just looking for something to sip on or a high-end cocktail, DrinkGR.
Yeah.
On Facebook.
You want a dessert for Thanksgiving? Here you go. Boost it up. Nate, thanks so much.
Cheers.